Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we're doing something interesting. And it's, we're doing this. We're just gonna be showing you guys this because this is cool and I thought it'd be good content.
I think I won a prize.
And yeah, we have our bathtub filled up. It's kind of loud. Real happy today. We have that rubber tip. Yeah, but this is literally just a rubber boat that put RC boat. I'm sorry, I was the wrong thing. It's just a little RC boat that we won at Dave & Buster's when we
I
went.
won at Dave & Buster's. For being way too OG
Shut up.
at Stack. No. And also using my tripod.
Tripod's dope. Go ahead. This is what I'm gonna hold whenever I record, like anything now. Yeah, but that's basically just about it. That's literally just all we wanted. Oh, yeah. Also, opinions on that. Opinions on that. This thing's dope. It goes different colors and stuff. It's cool. And then, yeah, I don't know. You guys, I'll just use the tripod. This is basically just it.
It's a tiny little phone tripod.
Now I'm gonna put you guys back on it. There we go. I don't think you guys can actually see it. Yeah. No, you guys can see it. Oh, okay. Cool. Anyway. Yeah, that's about it. So, yeah. I don't know. I mean, make sure you guys go check out my Twitch. Yeah, I'm self-promoting on this channel. I don't really care. I don't think Lucas cares either. So, make sure you guys go check out my Twitch, twitch.tv/KojoLegendTTV. That's my Twitch. I'm going to be streaming later. Once a thing for my headset comes in, I'm going to start streaming. So, yeah. If you're seeing this, make sure you guys go follow that. I'll put a link in the description. So, you guys can go ahead and do that. And yeah, make sure you guys subscribe. My channel is Kojo Legend YT. There's also a link to that in the description. And yeah, why not? I'll just go ahead and put a link to like everything in the description. Why not? I'll go ahead and put a link to both of our TikToks, both of our Twitch channels, and both of our YouTubes, both of our gaming YouTubes. And then I guess also Gabe's TikTok that he doesn't post on, so I don't think it matters that much. Anyway, yeah, but I'll go ahead and do that. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy, please make sure you guys go down to the description and check on that. Make sure you guys click on those links, do what I want, follow TikTok and Twitches, subscribe to YouTube channels. Join the Discords, which will also be down there. There's two of them. There's my Discord, and then there's the All the Game Discord. So, yeah. Anyway, subscribe and bye. What? Say bye. Say bye.
Bye. Water cooler.